if I want to take the files from the camera and I want to take them onto the computer, you're going to need one of these adapters. These adapters are on my desk in the black crate on the top shelf. So you need one of these to be able to plug your SD card into the computer. So you just want to first take your SD card out. Make sure you always have your camera with you whenever you do this so that you can put it right back in after. So putting the SD card in requires you just do that way. So to take the adapter and plug it in, you plug it in the back corner on the back. You want to plug it in to the back back right. There are two ports. Just like that. On your screen, you will see that this icon pops up for your SD card. So if you double click it, all of your files are going to be in the DCIM folder, always. And then every folder will be labeled differently based on the device. So on these cameras, it's 101 Canon. So when we transfer our files, we're going to create a folder on our desktop. So we're going to select, if you control click on the desktop anywhere, you'll have your right click file come up. So select new folder. You want to call this, label it whatever project you're working on. So in this case, I'm just going to call this tutorial. I'll double click this so it opens. And then I'm going to click and drag my file over to the folder. If you want to select multiple files, there's two ways you can do this. You just hold Command on the keyboard, select each file, and it'll select multiples. Or if all of your files are right next to each other on the keyboard and you want to select all of them, so say this is your first file here, and you want to, and your last one is here, hold Shift on the keyboard, start with either the first or the last, and then click to the first. It'll select all of them all at once, and you click and drag that over to your files. So that's all the footage I need. So when I am done with my SD card, it's very important that we safely eject the SD card. If we just pull the SD card out directly out from the adapter, there's a potential risk of corrupting all of the files on that, and we would lose everything, which we don't want to do. So in the folder here, you can see there's the untitled, which is our thing. We have this triangle facing up and a line underneath it. You want to click that to eject it, or you can click and drag the SD card icon to the trash, and it'll eject your file safely. So after that, you just put everything away, and you're all set with importing your files.